In this video, I'm gonna be turning my first ever house into a home. Honestly, I still can't believe I'm saying this. So stick around if you want some Pinterest inspired, budget friendly but realistic home decor ideas, or if you just want to vibe with me while I turn this 4-walled place into my home. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Advika. Right now I am in my first ever house, and of course the plan is to transform this house into a home. We're gonna be doing it in different episodes, and for episode 1 I'm thinking to do my living room and my bathroom. So right now I'm standing in my living room. This is the first room that people see when they enter my house. Currently it is in a state that I don't want people to see when they enter this house. Let's fix that, right? My sofas right now look very personality-less. I ordered these sofa covers. So मैंने Amazon से ये order करा था. But what is this color? And I'm really hoping कि इसका color सोफा पे अच्छा दिखे. Some cushions, I also ordered some cushion covers. The first one is this, the second one is red, and I really like this color. Like it's gonna like pop, and we need that with this very basic sofa. Pretty minimalistic, but then again it has some color. Look at this, it has this pink detailing all over it, these little flowers as well. And the last one, we have another colored one. This one is in green. I don't know, maybe it's just me who's really liking them, but I really like this color palette. I also got this. It's a throw blanket. It has this knit texture on it. It's also so soft. I love the color. It's like prettiest baby pink color. I genuinely was not expecting this to be this big. Oh my god, it's gonna be so perfect. Me in my throw blanket on this couch with some books when it's raining. So the plant has been decided. I'm using this. It's a fake lemon plant. I feel it's gonna be such a fun pop of color because right now we just have some very pastel colors, nothing bright, and I feel this one is the perfect touch to have a bright color. Now the confusion is that I have these two vases. So this one's pink, and I think it will go perfect with the throw blanket, so the color will match there. And this one, it has stony texture on it. It's also kind of going with the theme here. Let's see. Okay, actually I don't hate it, but I think like the vase is way too big. Like look at the size. Okay, perfect. This whole plant probably has more personality than I do. I love it. So pretty. So a few days back, I did a bookshelf makeover, and I'm inserting the clip now. If you're thinking why, just don't think. So this is my bookshelf, और अभी इसके ऊपर एक भी बुक नहीं है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा random stuff है. तो सबसे पहले तो हम वो random stuff हटाएंगे. मैंने कॉलिन लिया, and I tried to get as much dust as I could out of this shelf. Okay, so now I need to decide where exactly to keep this bookshelf, and I think this spot right here will be perfect for that. So after deciding the spot, it was time to shift the shelf, and honestly मुझे नहीं लगा था ये मैं अकेले कर पाऊंगी. But you know, when you live alone, you find out some powers that you had. Okay, so now it's finally time to start decorating it. I do want this to be a very lively, homely, colorful shelf. Now, I was really clueless about how I want to go with this. So, मैंने start किया with arranging the books, of course. Then I added some fillers, a self-love poster, a real-life plant. I know, right? Like, मैं इसको actually water कर रही हूँ and it's growing. And then I added my vision board, something that I got from my first solo trip in Singapore, and a crocheted plant. But I knew something was missing, so I added some fairy lights. And this is how my shelf looked before. And look at it now. Anyways, Now let's move back to the present. But guys, it's another day. I have removed a lot of the unnecessary stuff which was here, like the mirror, the cards. So the living room looks much more cleaner now. This space particularly looks so empty. I do have a vision for it. I got a lamp. I got it from Nykaa, which is so crazy because I did not even know Nykaa sells home decor products. My inspo was this. I literally searched so many lamps similar to this. I think this is going to be very similar to it. Let's unbox it. Time for the magic. ये मुझे पता है कैमरा में दिखा नहीं है, but this happened after 1 hour. Amazon पे सारे रिव्यूज देख लिए, पता चला मैंने बहुत ही गलत लैम्प ऑर्डर करा है और रिटर्न पीरियड भी जा चुकी है, तो सारा रोना हो चुका है, सारा धोना हो चुका है. Wow, that's so pretty, bro. I've inserted a smart bulb. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I can change the light. So through an app, I can just keep on changing the light from pink to green to blue. The bad thing is that if you see from this angle, you can clearly see the bulb. But overall, it looks really aesthetic. Look how cute and cozy this place looks now. I am gonna set up a few more things. Like I think I'm gonna keep a few magazines or books here. But oh my god, overall, this place just looks so good.
A few days later, I also added these curtains. Now the living room isn't finished according to me. There are still a few things that I want to add, but for now this is how it looks.
Okay, y'all, it's time to turn this bathroom into my bathroom. It is a very small bathroom because this is bathroom, this is the toilet, and we also have a wash basin area. So right now I'm planning to first do this bathroom, then move to the wash basin. This is the before of the washroom, and as you can see, we have like this ugly geyser and motor here, but we can't do anything about that. So this is something we can't change. But this area, everything here we can change. Okay, so let's start with removing all these extra buckets. I don't know if I'll ever need these. ये like घर के साथ आई थी, so I am gonna throw this. And we also have a lot of empty bottles of body wash, shampoo, some disinfectants जो कि मैं नहीं लाई थी, but I will be using them, so we need to store them somewhere else. These racks with all the products that I use daily. I thought to share them as well if anyone cares. So everything is non-sponsored. So this is the shampoo that I use. It's L'Oreal's Total Repair 5. I've been using this one from a long time now, and for some reason I think only L'Oreal products work on my hair. This is a conditioner. This is whenever I want to smell really good. This literally is my favorite body wash of all time. It smells like heaven, like for real. This is my favorite candle of all time, Strawberry Pound Cake by Bath and Body Works. It literally smells like strawberry land, like strawberry shake and cake, and it just smells so good. I think we should put it on second rack. Tell me this isn't the cutest thing. I am gonna be adding this. It's so cute. This plant, it's like a wine. I'm gonna add it over the top. Okay, so the last thing to add to this bathroom is this doormat. I mean, it's literally so cute. What's up guys? So it is a few or many days later actually. The plan today is to change this space. It's like a wash basin area that I showed you yesterday. And the issue I have with this place is that this mirror, it does not look good. It looks like it belongs from the 1980s. Honestly, now that I have stayed at this place for a long time, I feel like it's fine. But मैंने actually पहले ही एक mirror order कर लिया था and I can't return it. So it's best to put that to use. I cleaned this wash basin. So before this was like really ugly and like dirty, but अब ये साफ हो चुका है तो it looks whiter. Okay, so first things first, let us remove this mirror from here. I got this mirror. It's like a very basic plain mirror. ऐसा कुछ इसमें इतना different नहीं है, but it's just very minimal. इसके लिए I would need drilling and everything. But for now, जुगाड़ू we can do. मैंने अभी ऐसे तो रख दिया है, ये जुगाड़ है, but it looks like this. The space is too empty, तो इसको हम थोड़ा नीचे करेंगे. This is gonna be my skincare slash like all the supplies that I would need here, क्योंकि this is the area where I come to brush, wash my face, do my morning skincare, blah blah blah. Okay, let me just first clean this rack and then let's put on the products.
So on my wash basin, I have this soap dispenser and a matching toothbrush toothpaste holder. Other than that, I also added this candle which really smells nice. And yeah, that's how my wash basin area looks now.
For it to make it stay just fine, yeah, yeah. I like it like a la 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 la.